If we were to sell Kenya Pipeline at 300 billion, we would get 300 billion, put it in a fixed deposit, we earn 30 billion every year.
Na guku Ndereti ya Wendia wa kambuni mwire thirikari iramataga na mbere na kuhiriria President William Ruto niatariirie kiguni kia itua riri akiuga ni kwarahura wanjoria wa bururi na thirikari ihuthagira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 280 kuramata honge ciayo 287 atari faida ikoragwo ikingiriria bururi wito wa Kenya.
Parastatals and companies 287. How much do I spend on these agencies every year? 250 billion. Yeah, if I could save 50, 60, 70 billion from these organizations, I would do a lot more, and I would not be pushing more people in the tax direction.
Ari giikaro-ini na andiki a mohoro yani wa nyumba ya micemania ya KICC ni itore maketia igeno undu wa mwanya ni ati nyumba yo edukirwo kurerea muigana wa bilioni 30 no igakura ikingiriria bururi milioni 40 harĩ mwaka kia ukinyanira muigana wayo riu wona yarikia kugwa moko-ini ma aigithia itanyitwo kuingiria makiria ma bilioni 3 harĩ mwaka umwe.
As money is being used, right, to support many of these companies. We change the law to facilitate privatization, to facilitate strategic investment, to facilitate merger of some companies, and to facilitate closure of some.
Giikaro kia micemanio kia Bomas ona kio no kirigiro gwethero muigithia uria gukinyaniria gwako kwa mikawa iri ciikaro-ini ici iria ikuhe motungata agendi kuma mabũrũri ngũrani rĩrĩ sekta ino ya ugendi ithiĩte na mbere na kugacĩra ikigacĩrithia wonjoria wa bũrũri arĩ na itanya inene rĩa kunengerana kambuni ici cia thirikari kuramatwo ni andu kiumbe.
Investor for Bomas of Kenya. We need to build another conference facility in Kenya, in Bomas of Kenya, and we need to build maybe 2-3 hotels in Bomas of Kenya. It is what is going to change the fortunes of our country, especially the space around tourism.
Kwa muhiano President William Ruto ahuthirite kambuni ya Safaricom ta muhiano mwega wa uria Wendia uyu ugacĩrithĩtie wonjoria kuna kuma Wendia wayo makiria ma mieke ya mawira milioni 1.5 ni yonekete guku harĩ miaka 15 ikingiriria bururi kigina kia muigana wa trillion 1.3 undu uria bengi ya KCB ikinyanirie kuma Wendia wayo.
The small Safaricom that was at the corner in telecom today is the largest company in Kenya. Today, the value of Safaricom is 360 billion. Today, Safaricom is supporting 1.2 million jobs. Today, Safaricom has given the government of Kenya, through taxes, in the last 15 years, 1.3 trillion shillings.
Nake Minister Nyafaram Salim Davadi niagiriire Ndereti ino na gutariria kiguni kia kunengerana kambuni ici kuri andu kiumbe amune ikuhuthiria a Kenya murigo wa kuruta magoti makiria kuhetukira kigina kiria kambuni ici irigeirwo gukorwo ikingiriria bururi witu wa Kenya.
That is how you bring capital. So what the president is seeking and is putting across is how do we raise capital other than taxing Kenyans all the time.
Hamwe TV, rekoni maina, wa mushe.